Well, good morning to one and all. My name is Naresh, and regarding to the subject electrical machines, my topic is about the relative permittivity of the medium in various mediums. When we think what is meant by the relative permittivity of the medium, and the answer is the amount by which the force between the charge in presence of medium is relatively less than that in a vacuum is called the dielectric constant of that medium, or also known to be as the relative permittivity. It is noted to be as ER, where the force between charges in medium upon the force between charges in air or vacuum is nothing but the relative permittivity of the medium. So here, to know the relative permittivity, we can see many graphs and other were in our Wikipedia. So the absolute permittivity or simply permittivity of medium can be defined as the property of the medium which determines certain electric field intensity at a point in the field, creates how much flux density at the point is nothing but the permittivity of the medium. And to know the relation between absolute permittivity and relative permittivity of the medium, absolute permittivity, which is normally symbolized by E naught, whereas the permittivity of the free space, or else known to be as the vacuum, is equals to approximately 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 farads per meter. Relative permittivity is defined as the permittivity of the given material which is relative to that of the permittivity of the vacuum. So the relative permittivity of the medium is increased when as the dielectric constant increases, then the force between the two charges decreases. Accordingly, note the relative permittivity or the dielectric constant of certain medium is defined as the ratio of permittivity of the medium to the permittivity in the vacuum. Here, few other articles can be seen on the board regarding to the relative permittivity, and the dielectric constant, also called the relative permittivity, indicates how easily a material can become polarized by imposition of an electric field on an insulator. We can see that we can see in our daily life, we can hear in our daily life what is relative permittivity in the physics concepts. So to understand it very well, we need to refer a few other magazines regarding to the subject topic. And the relative permittivity is defined as the ratio of absolute permittivity of the medium. Here, minimum value of the relative permittivity is 9 into 10 to the power of 9, and the formula for the relative permittivity is E naught by E. Here, hence, the relative permittivity is different in different kinds of chemical form. Therefore, the dielectric constant for the ethanol is 24.3 at the temperature of 298 Kelvin.